Welcome back again. Yep, today, 22nd of January, 2025. And I'm going to show you what I've been doing on the lawn tractor here. Did a little bit of work on it tonight and ended up changing the steering rod connectors here because they were all worn out. I've also changed the swash plate, the steering swash plate underneath this thing. And so this is the electric motor that I got running. It's actually a starter motor for an airplane engine, for a Dart engine. So it's going to be an interesting install and see how long it's going to last. I got to do some kind of cooling for it, but it's like a 12.5 horsepower motor, 28 volts, and I'm actually going to be running it with a 40 volt system. So, you know, there's going to be a little more volts going through it, but it shouldn't have to work that hard because all it's doing is running the pulley to drive the rear end of this thing. So 12.5 horse, you know, maybe I'll only need like 6 horse or less, you know, maybe 4 horse. I'm not sure actually. I'll know once I hook up the control panels and then start putting power to it and putting a load on it and stuff to see how it's going to do. But I just drilled the holes. You can probably hear my compressor bleeding down in the background, but I just drilled these holes here to line it up to the center, and I can get them almost all in except for 2 in the back because I don't have any yeah, I actually don't even need them anyways. It's probably even a little overkill putting in these 6 bolts. But, oh, come on, let go, you. Anyhow. Okay, so, yeah. I'm just going to show you the pulley underneath. Come on, bolt. Voila. All right. You know what it's like, people, doing this one-handed. Oh my gosh. It's been a long day. A long day at work, and then, yeah, I do like doing the videos. So just bear with me. I'll put the tripod up here. Yeah, sorry for the jerkiness again. Okay. So there we go. There we go. Now, there's the pulley that I ended up putting on the shaft of this thing. And I just heard something fall. I don't know what fell. But, so I have to put some spacers in to go in here. But there's the pulley there. And then the belt. The typical belt drive of these things. Put a new belt in it. So I'm going to put in spacers here to get this belt sitting exactly where it needs to sit. Maybe I'll cut some steel tubing or something, some heavy wall stuff, or do it real cheap. And where did I put some nuts and stuff kicking around? Yeah, I could always try this. They're 1/4 inch, just some 1/4 inch nuts. I got a whole bunch of them, but I don't have to have too much of a spacer going here. I only need about 1/2 inch, maybe a little bit more. Maybe it'd be 3 nuts high, but like I said, I have to get this thing sitting perfectly level on that motor, and I can just drill these out. They're 1/4 inch nuts, but you can see I don't have a lot of wiggle room on the side here. It'll fit like that, and on this one it'll fit here too, how I drilled the hole. But if I drill this out with a 1/4 inch drill bit, then I can just stack 3 nuts. It's probably going to be 3 on top of each other all the way around here. That should give me my height. And then here I'm going to build in a battery box for these 3 batteries. And so actually here's a motor here. This is like a 1 horsepower motor, and those are going to be the motors for the cutting deck. They're Ryobi motors, and they're going to go on that cutting deck over there. Anyways, real quick video, because it's like 8 o'clock tonight, and I'm tired. So I will actually try to do another video tomorrow. I'll see if I can get this motor installed, and then we'll get that done and all lined up. And then I got to build a battery box. I think those batteries will sit side by side. It's going to be really close though. But these batteries here, I can do 40 volts with these guys. I already charged them up. They're on charge, trickle charge right now, and they're reading 41 volts. So, and these are Ryobi motors, are 40 volt motors. So just lead acid batteries. I don't mind a bit of weight on the front end of the lawn tractor. Probably won't bounce around too much then. Anyhow, that's where I'm at with this, and I'll do some work tomorrow, and then post another video tomorrow, and then hopefully within a couple of days I'll have the batteries hooked up, and I'll just temporarily do a controller hookup, and then yeah, flash it up and see if this thing drives forward, which it will. But yeah, anyways, that's where we're at for tonight, and yeah, have a good night, and we'll do one tomorrow.